Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections only for you. So let me display all our very beautiful one, festive collection, very exclusive one. 28SM1 is saree code, 5800 is saree price, very beautiful bright looks based for your festive wear. Premium quality pure handloom matka base with beautiful weaving pattern. This one is full base part, multicolor fully weaving stripes design, very nice one. Base is pure handloom matka, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one. Mizoram weaving design pallu, very exclusive one. This one is fully beautiful weaving pattern, Mizoram weaving pattern, and this one is full base part, bright blue shade and beautiful weaving stripes design, very elegant look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom one. This one is full base part, soft, lightweight, pure handloom matka base, premium quality with beautiful weaving stripes design, multicolor, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one is beautiful weaving pallu. Beautiful, exclusive, elegant looks, fine weaving pattern. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6200 for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one also same material, different color, bright fresh green shade, self weaving stripes design, Mizoram weaving pattern, pallu, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, beautiful self weaving stripes design, multicolor, base is pure handloom matka base, pure handloom one, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, Mizoram pattern weaving design, heavy worked pallu, highlighted stripes design, contrast color, thread weaving design, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom matka base with self weaving stripes design, multicolor. And I will suggest this silk material small weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6200 for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous, festive looks. This one also a beautiful one, have sign also. 28SM2 is saree code, 4300 is saree price, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom resham silk with texture weaving design. This one is base is resham silk with beautiful texture weaving design, contrast color border, beautiful weaving pattern. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu. This one is pallu end, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, and this one is full base part, have sign also, structure weaving, base is resham, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, beautiful structure weaving pattern. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very elegant one, smart, trendy looks. And I would suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4800 for your elegant, trendy, bright looks. This one also same material, base is resham with texture weaving design, beautiful color combinations also, contrast color border, and full base part is texture weaving design. This one is beautiful weaving pattern, fully self texture weaving design. This one is contrast color border, and this one is full base part, base is resham with texture weaving design, full base, very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, have sign also. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, resham with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is beautiful weaving design, and this one is full base part, have sign also, based for your party wear festive look, very trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving work, Banaras weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5,000 for your elegant, beautiful, gorgeous looks. And also same material, beautiful pink shade, very nice one. Premium quality, pure handloom resham base with beautiful texture weaving design, contrast border. This one is full base part, and this one is contrast color border, and this one is full base part, resham base with beautiful texture weaving design, full base part, have sign also, premium quality, pure handloom one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, resham with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design pallu, and this one is full base part, texture weaving, and this one is beautiful jamdani work, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, based for your festive wear, have sign also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4,900 for your smart, bright, elegant looks. This one also same material, different color, blue shade, black contrast pallu, very beautiful one, resham base, texture weaving design, contrast border, have sign also, based for your festive wear, party wear. This one is full base part, beautiful resham base with texture weaving design, self weaving, and this one is contrast color border, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, resham with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, pallu very elegant one, beautiful looks, bright also, blue with maroon red contrast. And I will suggest this silk material, golden base, self weaving heavy work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4,800 for your elegant, trendy, smart looks, bright also. This one also very elegant, exclusive one, exclusive collection. 24SM7 is saree code, 6,900 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with beautiful sivori dye and sequin work also, guinea sequin. This one is full base part, pure handloom, hand spun matka with silk, with resham stripes, pure resham silk stripes with guinea sequin, very exclusive one, beautiful looks, very elegant also. And this one is pallu part, pure resham silk with beautiful sequin design, guinea sequin, and this one is contrast color border, and this one is pure resham silk, pallu and highlighted stripes, and this one is pure handloom, hand spun matka with sivori dye, and resham full base part is resham stripes, pure resham silk stripes with guinea sequin, beautiful one, very elegant, trendy looks. This one is full base part, beautiful sequin stripes, resham silk with guinea sequin stripes, and full base part is beautiful sivori dye, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7,300 for your trendy, bright, beautiful, elegant looks. And this one also same material, different color, very exclusive, bright, beautiful color combinations, yellow with bottle green, bright green shade combined sivori work, pure handloom, hand spun matka with beautiful sivori dye, and this one is border portion, and this one is full base part, beautiful resham, pure resham silk stripes design, full base with guinea sequin, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk with beautiful guinea sequin design, and this one is full base part, beautiful sivori dye, pure handloom, hand spun matka, premium quality with beautiful sivori dye and cell sequin stripe, guinea sequin stripes design, very exclusive one, pure resham silk with beautiful sequin work by guinea, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, beautiful sivori work, Is this contrast blouse piece, silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7400 for your smart, bright, beautiful festive looks. This one also same material, different color, beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, handspun matka, resham stripes, sequin work by Guinea, contrast color pallu with beautiful sequin design. This one is full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is pure resham silk with beautiful Guinea sequin design pallu and this beautiful highlighted stripes, and this one is border, and this one is full base part, beautiful color combination, Sivori dye, beautiful Sivori with pure resham silk stripes with Guinea sequin design, full base, very elegant, beautiful, smart looks. This one is full base part. Full base part is pure resham silk stripes with Guinea sequin design. This one is running blouse piece and beautiful Sivori dye, very exclusive one, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7300 for your beautiful, smart, trendy looks. This one also beautiful one. This saree code is 28SM5 is saree code, 4300 is saree price, beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful hand batik. This one is beautiful hand batik with natural indigo, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted stripes pattern with beautiful katha stitch design, fully stitching hand katha stitch design stripes, very elegant one, and pallu in this beautiful pom-pom design. And this one is full base part, beautiful hand batik print, natural indigo. This one is full base, beautiful printed one, natural fabric, lane by lane base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4600 for your elegant, smart, exclusive looks. This one also same material, beautiful one, fully natural indigo with hand batik print, fully hand process, very nice one. This one is beautiful batik printed one, fully hand batik, natural indigo, and this one is pallu part, same stripes pattern with katha stitch design stripes, very nice one, pallu and beautiful pom-pom, natural fabric, lane by lane, and this one is full base part, very elegant one, smart, trendy looks, fully hand batik print. This one is running blouse piece, natural fabric, lane by lane with hand batik. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4700 for your elegant, smart, trendy looks. This one also beautiful one, natural indigo with hand batik print, very nice one, smart, trendy, exclusive looks, same pattern. This one is full base part, beautiful batik printed one, fully hand batik, natural fabric, lane by lane, natural indigo, and this one is pallu part, stripes pattern and highlighted katha stitch design, very exclusive, smart looks, and beautiful pom-pom. And this one is full base part. This one is pallu side portion, also beautiful pom-pom design, and this one is full base part, very elegant, trendy, smart looks, fully natural indigo with hand batik print. And I will suggest this printed cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4600 for your smart, elegant, trendy, exclusive looks. This one also beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane with silver work. 28SM4 is Saree code 3800 is a saree price. Beautiful one, fully silver zari jamdani work. This one is full base part, natural fabric, lien by lien, premium quality, pure handloom one. And this one is border portions is beautiful weaving work by silver zari, red maroon red set with silver zari work. Very nice one, elegant, smart, bright looks. This one is natural fabric, lien by lien, and this one is beautiful weaving buta design. This one is full base part, based for your festive looks. Very elegant one. And this one is running blouse piece. This one is full base, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted silver zari stripes with beautiful hand weaving buta floral pattern, buta design. Very elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, natural fabric, lien by lien with silver zari work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving buta work, Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4300 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. This one also same material, black with silver zari work. Very elegant, gorgeous looks, very trendy also, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lien by lien. This one is full base part, black base with silver zari weaving work. This one is full border portions, beautiful hand weaving silver zari work, and base is black natural fabric, lien by lien with beautiful silver zari weaving buta also, full base part. This one is beautiful border design, very gorgeous also. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted silver zari stripes with beautiful hand weaving floral buta design. Very elegant one, smart, trendy, exclusive looks. Natural fabric, pure handloom, natural fabric, lien by lien with silver zari work. And I will suggest this silk material, small weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your elegant, exclusive, bright looks. This one also a beautiful one, fully hand batik print. 28SM3 is saree code 4400 is saree price. Very exclusive one, natural indigo with beautiful hand weaving batik design. This one is full upper base part, beautiful hand batik print. This one is fully hand batik work, and this one is full pallu part, beautiful pom-pom design. And this one is half portion split section. This one is half upper portion indigo blue with batik print, and this one is half portion split section, beautiful multi-color stripes with highlighted silver zari lines, highlighted. This one is pleats, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is upper base part. Beautiful, elegant, trendy, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4800 for your elegant, exclusive, smart looks. This one also same material, beautiful color combinations, fully hand batik print. This one is upper base part. Let me open. This one is upper base part, fully hand batik print, natural indigo dye with beautiful hand batik print. And this one is pallu also very beautiful one, multicolor stripes, highlighted silver and golden zari, highlighted lines with beautiful pom-pom design, pallu end. And this one is split section, half portion split section, beautiful multicolor stripes design. This one is pleats. This one is pleats, highlighted, and this one is upper base part in natural indigo with hand batik print. And this one is running blouse piece, body type, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4800 for your elegant, exclusive, smart, trendy looks. This one also beautiful one, handloom matka base. 28SM6 is saree code, 6000 is saree price. Very bright one, royal blue shade, pure handloom matka with beautiful hand weaving Jamdani work by Gicha thread. This one is border portions, beautiful Jamdani work, fully hand weaving by Gicha thread, and this one is full base part, pure handloom matka base with beautiful hand weaving work border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted Gicha stripes with beautiful weaving design buta, very nice one. This one is pallu, and this one is beautiful border by Gicha, and this one is full base part, very elegant, smart, exclusive looks. This one is full base border portion, beautiful weaving work by Gicha, and this one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern, Gicha stripes pattern running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very elegant, exclusive, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, pink base with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6400 for your bright, beautiful, elegant, festive looks. Also, very beautiful one, pure resham silk with hand weaving work, Jamdani work. 28 same 8 is saree code, 6200 is saree price. Pure handloom one, pure resham silk with beautiful copper silk, copper golden shade weaving Jamdani work. This one is beautiful weaving work, black base, pure resham silk, soft, comfortable, only 300 gram is weight. And this one is beautiful hand weaving buta design, full base part, and this one is full border portions, beautiful weaving work, fully hand weaving. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving design pallu, and this one is full base part, pure resham silk with beautiful weaving design. This one is transparent and beautiful weaving design, very nice one, elegant, smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this bouquet work, heavy bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6400 for your elegant, smart, exclusive, traditional looks. This one also beautiful one, 28A same 9 is saree code, 3800 is saree price, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane, 1 inch golden zari border highlighted. This one is full base part, this one is fine golden zari 1 inch border, and full base part is beautiful hand batik print, fully hand batik print, natural fabric, lane by lane, and this one is split sections, beautiful sivori dye splits. This one is split section, this one is upper base part, very elegant one, splits are sivori, and this one is pallu part, pallu also same sivori dye print, very nice one, elegant, exclusive, smart looks with golden zari border highlighted, and this one is beautiful hand batik print. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your smart, trendy, exclusive looks. This one also bright one, based for your festive wear, 28A same 10 is saree code, 4900 is saree price, matka base, cell sequin stripes design, muslin stripes with cell sequin design. This one is full base part, this one is muslin stripes design with beautiful cell sequin work, and full base part is purple base matka. This one is full base, beautiful, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, muslin with hand weaving Jamdani buta pallu with cell sequin stripes design, very elegant, smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5500 for your exclusive, smart, bright looks. This one also very trendy one, pure handloom cotton fabric with silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, very nice one. This one is full base part, bright red shade, and this one is silver zari border, and full border portions beautiful contrast color printed border, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, Madhubani printed pallu, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful Madhubani print pallu, and this one is border portions also beautiful Madhubani print, bright maroon shade. This one is border portion silver zari with Madhubani printed border, and this one is full base part, very elegant one. With this saree you will get running blouse piece, printed running blouse piece, very elegant, trendy, smart looks. This one also same material, 2400 is saree price, beautiful printed one, cotton fabric with beautiful Madhubani print, beautiful color combinations, mustard yellow shade, and this one is border portion, silver zari highlighted printed border, and this one is pallu also very beautiful one, fully Madhubani printed pallu, very elegant, trendy looks, based for your office wear. This one is beautiful border design, base is pure handloom cotton fabric, and this one is silver zari with beautiful Madhubani printed border, and base is bright mustard yellow shade, and this one is border portions, very elegant one, smart looks. And this one is running blouse piece, beautiful printed cotton fabric running blouse piece, very exclusive one, bright, beautiful, smart looks. This one also same material, cotton fabric, silver zari border with beautiful printed floral pattern printed one, very elegant one, cotton fabric, pure handloom one. This one is border portion, silver zari highlighted border, and this one is full base part, beautiful printed one, beautiful color combinations also, and this one is pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful print, 2400 is saree price. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, very elegant looks, smart, bright one, based for your office wear. This one is running blouse piece, different printed, contrast color printed running blouse piece, and this one is full piece. This one also same material, cotton fabric with beautiful Madhubani print, bright, beautiful looks, and full base part also printed one, printed Buta pattern printed. This one is mustard yellow shade, this one is border, silver zari red contrast border, and full border portions, beautiful Madhubani printed one, and this one is full base, very elegant one, and this one is pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful Madhubani printed pallu, and this one is full base part, very bright, beautiful, smart looks. This one is bottom border part, beautiful Madhubani printed contrast color Madhubani printed border, pure handloom premium quality cotton fabric with beautiful printed border, and this one is running blouse piece, contrast color printed running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, very elegant, bright looks. Same material, cotton fabric, pure handloom one with beautiful printed silver zari border, and full base part is print, very nice one, elegant looks, based for your office wear, daily looks. This one is border portion, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, and this one is pallu also very beautiful one, stripes with beautiful printed pallu, soft lightweight pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful print. This one is silver zari border with print, and this one is a running blouse piece with contrast color printed running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, but very elegant one. This one also Madhubani printed one, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful printed one. This one is full base part, mustard yellow shade, and contrast color Madhubani printed border. This one is red with silver zari border, and full border portion is beautiful Madhubani printed, and this one is pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful Madhubani printed pallu, and this one is full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable, full border portions also printed one, Madhubani printed highlighted border, and this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric, and this one is running blouse piece, different printed contrast color running blouse piece, very elegant, smart, trendy looks. This one also same material, cotton fabric with beautiful printed one, very nice one, silver zari highlighted border, and full base part is printed border, printed full piece. This one is full base part, and this one is border, contrast color silver zari highlighted border, and this one is full base, very elegant, smart looks, based for your office wear. And this one is pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari fine stripes with beautiful printed pallu, and this one is full base part, very smart, trendy, elegant looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, and this one is running blouse piece, different printed contrast color, different printed running blouse piece, and this one is full base, based for your office wear, very smart looks. A pure handloom cotton fabric. And you know, today I have draped a beautiful bright gorgeous saree, soft silk with fully heavy Banarasi weaving work border and full base part also, fully weaving work Buddha design, full base part. And this one is, you know, border portions is very beautiful one, golden and silver zari contrast weaving design border, and this one is full base part, beautiful Buddha bright black shade. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, smart weaving design, heavy weaving design pallu. This one is beautiful weaving pattern, and this one is full base part is same Bota weaving work, very exclusive bright gorgeous looks. 3600 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day. Thank you so much.